Hi, my name is Baldi Pradhan and I am a drummer, guitarist, and a keyboard artist too. I've been teaching keyboard for over 20 years. Welcome to Mittlearn keyboard course for beginners, and here you will learn how to play the keyboard from scratch. The content of this course is designed for all age groups and spread over a journey of 7 hours 34 minutes in total, which contains 30 recorded video lessons. You can access all the learning content anytime and anywhere here. In this course, you will also learn about the fundamental concepts of keyboard, the different types of finger exercises, and how to play different types of chords on different scales. And towards the end, you will be able to play different types of Bollywood and Hollywood songs of different scales on this keyboard.